Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to build a RAG application using Claude API and vector database. Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG, is one of the most effective ways to give Claude access to information outside of its built-in knowledge. Instead of asking the model to rely only on the prompt, a RAG application first searches a vector database for the most relevant documents, and then sends those results to Claude as additional context before generating a response. This approach helps produce answers that are more accurate, more relevant to your own data, and easier to keep up to date without retraining a model. In this guide, you'll install the required libraries, configure authentication, retrieve context from a vector database, and combine that information with Claude's generation capabilities. The first step is to open your terminal. Before building your application, you'll need to install the required software libraries. Run the provided command that installs the official Anthropic client package, along with the client library for your chosen vector database. The vector database driver allows your application to communicate with your document index, perform similarity searches, and retrieve relevant information before sending a request to Claude. Wait for both packages to finish installing successfully before continuing. Next, configure your authentication. Still inside your terminal, run the command that exports your access tokens into your terminal's active environment variables. These credentials allow your application to securely connect to both the Claude API and your vector database without embedding sensitive information directly into your source code. Once authentication has been configured, you're ready to implement the retrieval stage of your RAG application. Run the provided script that queries the vector database. This script searches your index documents for information that's most relevant to the user's question. Rather than returning every document, the vector database performs a similarity search and retrieves only the most relevant pieces of content. The script also creates a retrieval utility module, which organizes the retrieval process into a reusable component for your application. Depending on your implementation, this retrieval utility may accept a user query, perform a similarity search, retrieve matching documents, rank the results, return the most relevant context. Separating retrieval into its own module makes the application cleaner and easier to maintain. Once the retrieval process is working correctly, the final step is to generate Claude's response. Return to your terminal. Run the provided script that augments the prompt. This script combines the user's original question, the retrieved documents, your system instructions, into a single request that's sent to Claude. The script also adds the generation logic to your application's execution flow. Instead of answering using only the prompt, Claude now receives relevant supporting information retrieved from your vector database, allowing it to generate responses that are grounded in your own data. After implementing the generation step, save your project and run your application. To summarize, building a Retrieval Augmented Generation (RAG) application begins by opening your terminal and installing both the official Anthropic client package and the client library for your chosen vector database. Next, export your API credentials and database access tokens into your environment so your application can authenticate securely. Then, run the provided retrieval script, which queries the vector database for relevant documents and organizes that process into a reusable retrieval utility. Finally, execute the generation script, which augments the user's prompt with the retrieved context and sends the combined request to Claude, allowing the model to generate responses based on your own index data. By combining intelligent document retrieval with Claude's language capabilities, a RAG application delivers responses that are more accurate, relevant, and grounded in your organization's information. This architecture scales well for enterprise systems, knowledge bases, research tools, and AI assistants, while also making it easier to keep information current without retraining the underlying model. And that's how to build a RAG application using the Claude API and a vector database. By installing the required client libraries, securely configuring authentication, retrieving relevant documents through vector search, and augmenting Claude's prompts with that context, you can build powerful AI applications that answer questions using your own knowledge base, rather than relying solely on the model's built-in knowledge. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.